We're living in a period where skills shortages are on the rise. The cost of training new employees is continuously increasing, and studies predict by 2030, we'll have a global talent shortage of over 85.2 million workers. But let me show you how the College of Electrical Training is helping to bridge the knowledge gap for its electrical apprentices by better preparing them for the future workplace, and how this can also transform your industry. Come on, follow me. Let's take a closer look. Hi, my name's Tom Flay, founder of VUYU, and we've set out to solve the long-standing problem that's been affecting workers of all different trades and backgrounds for too long, and that is, how can we better connect frontline personnel to subject matter experts so on-site issues can be solved in a lesser period of time, whilst maintaining a high level of quality and safety? We're here to meet Jack, who's currently an electrical apprentice at the College of Electrical Training. And today, Jack's required to complete a practical assessment in order to pass his next module. Our issue though is Jack, being a rural student, lives remotely. And travelling 2 full days backwards and forwards to the campus is not only financially costly, but requires much of Jack's time. Therefore, Jack's based here at his local trade workshop where he'll be completing his practical assessment, which will be supervised by Tracy, the campus lecturer who's located back at the College of Electrical Training. Now, the technology which is allowing Jack and Tracy to establish the right video and audio quality is the Vuzix M400 smart glasses. And our wearable solutions is permitting new ways of communicating with bridging the gap between worker and supervisor.
Jack, right on time. Yeah, so it's still morning, so yeah, so good morning. How am I sounding?
Mate, coming through loud and clear.
Okay, that's good. All right, yep, and I can see you really well as well. I can see what you're looking at. And you mentioned the main switch needs to be changed, and we also talked about how we can change these circuit breakers here to RCBOs. Just go to the bottom of that RCBO, you'll see there's a red cable there. Find the load or find the socket outlet where that could, or where that does, connect to. So you're looking
here look like P1, just based on what's written there.
Yep, you're just going to hold that again because I just want to see if I can just get a bit closer. Is that right? So yeah, no, that's good. So that's fine.
As Jack makes his way through the assessment, you can see the nuance but also distinct differences of the M400 smart glasses and how it separates itself from other technologies. Firstly, the ability to remain hands-free. Jack can undergo more tasks in a given period of time as he isn't burdened with having to hold a handheld tablet in one hand, thus allowing him to carry out tasks where 2 hands are essential.
And so the last one's to do with an air conditioner. There's an RCBO on the air conditioner. And what size circuit breaker is protecting that?
16 amp.
Yeah, okay, that's right as well. That's good.
Jack's also equipped with a heads-up display positioned in front of his eye, giving the ability to visualise what's being captured and communicated. What Jack sees in his heads-up display is exactly what Tracy will see on his dashboard, creating the perfect visual synergy between both parties. No guessing or uncertainty on who's looking at what. It's you see, I see.
All right, well, I'll let you go. Get back to work and I'll catch you next week.
There you have it. Remote mentoring, smart glasses, augmented reality, and first-person view video conferencing. We're at a turning point for many industries where harnessing smart glasses won't remain a tool for one-off situations, but are becoming a necessity for training the next generation of workers. Again, the global talent shortage of 85.2 million workers must be supplemented by a high standard of training, supervision, and technologies. The only question that remains is, where does your workforce stand on all this, and what are you doing to train the next generation of workers? The College of Electrical Training is leading the charge, but so can you.